Hi everyone. This week's starting point for P4C is a book which I discovered recently. It's called The Shadow Elephant by Nadine Robert and Valeria Vidali. Now this book is quite wide, so there's going to be a bit of kind of zooming out to look at the whole 2 pages at once, and then we'll zoom in a bit more. And there's a little bit here at the front which says, "And when we are all comforted, we all are, eventually, you'll be happy to have known me. You will always be my friend." And that's by the French writer Antoine de Saint-Exupéry. The Shadow Elephant. And this the book was originally written in French and it's been translated to English. Some said the elephant was gloomy. Some said he was trying to hide his sadness. Some said he preferred the shadows. The animals of the savannah wanted to find a way to cheer the elephant up again. Perhaps if they told him a funny story? The monkey threw himself into it and told the funniest joke he knew. That one about the banana stuck in an ear. It was so silly. It got laughs every time. Not a smile, not a sound. The elephant listened attentively, but remained in the shadows. Next, the ostrich sisters gave it a try. They performed a dance they'd invented called the swing can-can. The way they tensed their faces and twisted their necks was hilarious. But the elephant watched them without so much as a twitch and remained in the shadows. Seeing the elephant did not feel like laughing, the crocodile thought a treat might perk him up. He brought him a bowl full of young acacia leaves, his favourite. But that did not work either. The elephant blinked his eyes, sighed through his trunk, and remained in the shadows. A small mouse, who was scurrying by, stopped. Out of breath, she asked the elephant, "Could I rest here, next to you?" "You're not here to tell me a story?" "No, I'd just like to sit here for a moment." "You're not here to change my mind?" "No, but if you'd really like to know, I've walked all day trying to find a golden key that belongs to my sister. It's the most precious thing she owns. I took the key without asking and then lost it while playing in the savannah. I've searched and walked and searched some more. I've wandered so far now that I'm lost. I'm afraid I'll never find the key nor my way home." The elephant sighed, gave a little hiccup, and started to cry. He cried silently, a flood of tears like he might never stop. Seeing him, the mouse started to cry too. Drained of his tears and feeling much better, the elephant took one step, then another, and emerged from the shadows. He walked slowly towards the mouse. Let's walk together. The moonlight will show us the way to your house. On the way, I'd really like to hear your story. I can try.